So today I'm working on this piece for the front porch, and it's going to hang on the wall next to a chair and a table that I'm going to put on the front porch. And so I found this old Christmas decoration at the thrift store. It was $5, and I want to paint this and then attach these Ikea pots to it with a plant in each one. So I think it'll look nice. It'll add some greenery and it will, be low maintenance, obviously. It's a fake plant. Anyway, so what I'm going to do first is drill the holes in these pots and kind of like plan out how many I can fit and with the plant inside. Okay, so these pots have a seam in the back, and I can't go right through the middle of the seam, so what I'm going to do is go as close to it as I can so that the seam will just be in the back when it's hanging. And I just have this regular drill bit, and just going to go in a little ways down, not too far, and just there we go. Just drill that hole, and then I'll just get a screw and attach these. I don't think that they'll need any more than one screw for the small amount of weight. So the next thing I want to do is just figure out how many, and just make sure before I drill a hole in the last one if I need all three or if two will do. So let's see. Let's see. I kind of like the three, so I think I'm going to go for the three. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just pull off all this old, got tinsel or whatever this was that was attached to this before. Just get all this off. And then paint it black. Okay, so now I decided that I'm going to drill holes in the bottom of these pots just in case I decide to put a real plant in here at some point, just a drainage hole. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is put these pots on, and I have a few wooden blocks here that I think I might try to screw into in the back. It might be hard to see there, but this sled is made of slats, and the center is where two slats come together, so the screw will be going like in between the two slats. So, I mean, I might not need anything, but I'm going to try to just screw into a wood block in the back just to make sure it stays on. So, alright, I'm just going to eyeball this. I'm not really going to measure. I'm just going to see what I think looks good. I guess this is going to be good because I don't want this one to be like right at the bottom. And this one can go above this top because it's got this thing here. So I guess we'll start with this. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just take this screw, and I'm just using a drywall screw. Let's put this out of the way so you can see. Let's just get this kind of going. like the way it looks. And there we have it. What do you think? Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I think that, just looking at it, I think I'll shift this one down just a hair. But I think it looks good.